Two smartphones from tech giants. One big question: which one really delivers? On the left, the big and bold Apple iPhone 16 Plus. And on the right, the smart and affordable Google Pixel 9a. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Okay, before we jump in, let's break down exactly what we're comparing. Here's the mind map: price, performance, display, camera, battery life, design and colors, connectivity, AI and software, and finally, ecosystem and updates. I know, long list, but stay with me. We'll blaze through each and give you the real scoop. Let's kick off with price. Honestly, the iPhone 16 Plus is, well, let's say it's not shy about that premium price tag. If resale value is something you think about, this one can hold up. But that upfront cost? Yeah, it'll sting. Now, the Pixel 9a's price is more like, wait, is this for real? It's expected to be way more affordable. And if you want bang for your buck, Pixel keeps it tight. Sure, it probably won't fetch as much when you sell, but for getting into that smartphone game in 2025, hard to beat. So for value, Pixel takes this round. Next up, performance. The iPhone 16 Plus flexes with the A18 chip and is really dialed in for those new Apple Intelligence AI features. iOS 18 runs super smooth, and honestly, everyday tasks just fly on this thing. If you need pure horsepower, it's hard to argue. Pixel 9a, though, it's rocking Google's Tensor, which is great, especially for its price. But if you're pushing demanding apps or serious multitasking, the iPhone's just, well, a step ahead. So, performance crown? That's another point to iPhone. Okay, on to display. The iPhone 16 Plus shows up with a 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR OLED. Seriously vivid. And those slim bezels, chef's kiss. Only thing, weirdly enough, it's still 60 Hz, right? No high refresh ProMotion here, which for Apple is kind of shocking. Then you've got the Pixel 9a, where Pixel's been giving out 90 Hz or even 120 Hz screens in their A series, so expect smooth scrolling. But typically, the resolution and brightness aren't quite as crisp as the iPhone. It's close, but in everyday use, the iPhone's just that bit sharper and more vibrant. So win to iPhone, but Pixel's refresh rate is legit and worth a look. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know the iPhone 16 Plus is actually the first regular iPhone to support Wi-Fi 7? Super future ready. And yeah, that means it'll be riding the fastest networks for years. Kind of wild, right? Heading into camera. The iPhone 16 Plus packs a 48-megapixel main, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and all that Apple photographic wizardry. Spatial video, custom photo styles, you name it. The results are top tier, no question. Pixel 9a? I mean, Google's reputation for killer computational photography is real. It'll crush social shots, magic background fixes, and is tough to beat for its price. But it doesn't go toe-to-toe with the hardware, telephoto tech, or some of Apple's new features. Again, iPhone grabs the camera win, but Pixel's smart software angles make photos really pop for the gram. Let's talk battery life. iPhone 16 Plus is built huge, and that means serious battery. You're easily getting through a day, sometimes more, no fuss. Pixel's usually pretty efficient, especially with that slick Android setup. One-day use is solid, but at the end of the day, the bigger battery of the iPhone Plus just keeps going. And it's a real difference if you're always on your phone. So, battery king, iPhone 16 Plus again. Design and colors? All right. iPhone 16 Plus keeps things classic Apple. Glass and aluminum, super slim, and this year, 5 colors. Some are a little wild, like ultramarine, and you've got the fun ones, pink and teal. Kinda bummed there's no matte finish unless you pay pro prices, but oh well. Pixel 9a's also rocking Google's minimalist style. Color options will be there, but a series usually means more plastic on the back. It's fine, just not quite as premium feeling. Winner for looks goes to iPhone again, but both give you options to match your vibe. Let's hit connectivity. iPhone 16 Plus now supports Wi-Fi 7, so it's ready for the future. And yeah, that includes full 5G and dual eSIM depending on where you live. Pretty slick. Pixel 9a? Expect 5G, Wi-Fi 6E, or even 7 if it hits that price point, plus dual SIM. Both get you online fast, but iPhone's got that tiny edge if you care about being future-proof. So tick for iPhone once more. AI and software. Both phones are flexing serious AI muscle in 2025. Apple, with their new intelligence features, does some wild stuff. Text, images, all super private, and gets years of software updates. But hey, if you love customizing, iOS still kinda locks you down. Pixel 9a, though, is loaded with Google's AI smarts. Call screening, magic photo tools, and gets Android updates ahead of the pack. Honestly, this one's a stalemate. Both have top-notch AI chops, and the software is just a personal taste thing. Ecosystem and updates, this is where things get interesting. With the iPhone 16 Plus, you're basically inside Apple's clubhouse. AirPods, Macs, Apple Watch, all talk and sync perfectly. Updates are best in class for years. Downside? You're locked in pretty tight to Apple services and need to stick with the family. Pixel 9a works super smoothly with Google stuff, Docs, YouTube, Calendar, and it's easier to use with all sorts of devices. But that super tight integration with hardware, not as deep as Apple. For most, Apple's the winner here, especially if you're all in. So if you look across all the categories, you'll see iPhone 16 Plus basically sweeps through performance, display, camera, battery, design, connectivity, and ecosystem. Not bad. Pixel 9a, though, totally steals the show when it comes to price and value and matches Apple in AI and software. It's a solid chart for both, honestly. Okay, if you want the latest power, longevity, and honestly that full-on Apple experience, the 16 Plus is hard to beat. Display's bigger, battery lasts longer, and you get the freshest tech. But don't sleep on the Pixel 9a. If value is your thing, and you dig smart Google features in a clean, affordable package, it's a perfect move. iPhone's our overall winner, but Pixel's smart and a total bargain. Hope you found this head-to-head helpful. Follow for more tech showdowns, and hey, hit me up in the comments. What should I compare next?